Welcome back to our channel. So in this video we shall start exercise 10.4. So the first problem here is a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. Okay. So a metallic sphere. Okay. So a metallic sphere. Sphere is metallic. Sphere of radius is 4.2 centimeters. So radius of the sphere given the 4.2 centimeters and melted. Okay, is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. So this sphere is melted and recasted in the form of a cylinder. So the radius of the cylinder given as 6 centimeters. Okay. So find the height of the cylinder. We have to find the height of the cylinder. Okay. So first write the given data. Okay. So given dimensions of sphere. So write sphere dimensions. So radius. Radius take it as capital R. Capital R equal to 4.2 centimeters. And cylinder dimensions. Okay. So dimensions of cylinder height h equal to don't know. So radius small r equal to 6 centimeters here. Okay. So here the sphere is melted and recasted into the form of cylinder. Okay. So given that sphere is melted and recasted into cylinder. Okay, so sphere is melted and formed a cylinder. Okay, that means the volume of the sphere must be equal to volume of the cylinder. Okay, it implies that volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. Okay, so volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. It implies that volume of sphere formula, we know that volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so here r is capital R we have taken for sphere equal to volume of cylinder formula, we know that volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, so that means pi gets cancelled. It implies that 4 by 3 r cube. So r value is 4.2 centimeters. Okay, 4.2 centimeters whole cube equal to r square. So small r value here is 6 centimeters whole square into h. Okay, so it implies that 4 by 3 into 4.2 whole cube. That means 4.2 can be written as 4.2 by 10. Sorry, 42 by 10. Okay, 42 by 10 whole cube. That means 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10. Okay. So 4.2 can be written as 42 by 10. So 42 by 10 whole cube. That means 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 equal to 6 centimeters square. That means 6 centimeters whole square. 6 square is 36 centimeters. Okay, square into height. Okay, here centimeters cube. Cubic centimeter. So now centimeter square, centimeters cube. That means 1 centimeter will be remain. Again this 36 comes to the left side and gets divided with the left side. And that means 4 by 3 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into, so 36 comes to the left side and gets divided with the left side. That means 1 by 36 equal to h. Here centimeters. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. Okay. Similarly 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. Okay, now 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. Okay, so now 2 into 14 into 14 into 7 by 10 into 10 into 10 centimeters equal to h. Okay, so 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 14 into 14 into 14. So 14 14 I know that 14 14 is 196. Okay, 4 4 is 66. Okay, so 196 into again 14. So 4 6 74, 4 4 9 36 plus 2 38 8 4 plus 3 7 196 4 14. Okay, so 2 7 double 4 by 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000 centimeters equal to h. Okay, so here 14 into 14 into 2 7 is 14. 14 into 14 into 14 is value 2744 by 10 into 10 into 10 10 times 100 100 times is 1000. Okay, so now since there are 3 zeros in the denominator, so before 3 zeros one decimal should be come. Okay, so 1 2 3, so 2.744 centimeters equal to height of the cylinder. Okay, so we shall discuss the next question. The next question is 3 metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively are melted together to form a single solid sphere. Okay, so here 3 metallic spheres of radius. So first metallic sphere radius is 6 centimeters and other is 8 centimeters, and third metallic sphere is radius 10 centimeters. So these 3 metallic spheres are melted together to form a single solid sphere. That means, so by melting the 3 spheres we formed a single solid sphere. Okay, so we have to find the radius of the resulting sphere. Okay, so first write the given data. Okay, so radius of 3 metallic spheres. Okay, 3 metallic spheres are, so first one is take it as R1, so 6 centimeters, and R2 is 8 centimeters. Similarly R3 is 10 centimeters. Okay, and let radius of the resulting sphere be capital R. Okay, so let radius of resulting sphere be capital R. Okay, so since the 3 metallic spheres are melted and formed into a single metallic sphere, so the volume of this metallic sphere, solid metallic sphere, is equal to volume, sum of volumes of the 3 spheres. Okay, so since the 3 metallic spheres are melted to form a single solid sphere, the volume of resulting sphere, so volume of resulting sphere equal to sum of volumes of the 3 metallic spheres. So it implies that volume of resulting sphere equal to resulting sphere equal to volume of sphere 1, so volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere, okay, sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3. Okay, volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3 equal to volume of resulting sphere. Okay, so equal to, so we know that volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of resulting sphere, that means here radius of the resulting sphere we have taken as capital. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the resulting sphere equal to, so volume of sphere 1, volume of first sphere is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus volume of second sphere is 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. Okay, next volume of third sphere is 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. So now 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to, so we can take 4 by 3 into pi as common in the 3 terms. Okay, now 4 by 3 pi, if we take 4 by 3 as common, then r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube will be remains. Okay, so 4 by 3 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, so it implies that r cube equal to r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Okay, so it implies that r cube equal to, so r1 cube, so r1 radius of the first sphere is 6 centimeters, so 6 centimeters whole cube plus r2 cube, so radius of second sphere is 8 centimeters, so 8 centimeters whole cube. Next r3 cube, so radius of the third sphere is 10 centimeters whole cube, so it implies that r cube equal to 6 centimeters whole cube. So 6 cube is 6 6 is 36. 36 6 is 216. Okay, so 216 centimeters cube plus 8 cube. That means 8 8 is 64. Okay, 64 8 is 8 4 is 32 2 3 8 6 is 48 5 12. Okay, so 512 centimeters cube plus 10 cube is 10 times 100 times 1000 cubic centimeters. So it implies that r cube equal to, so 216 plus 512 8 2 7. So 728 plus 1000 is 1728 cubic centimeters. So r cube equal to, so 1728 factor is 1728. Okay, so 1728 if you factor it 2 2 6 is 2 2 8 is 16. So 1 2 12. That means 2 6 is 12. 2 4 is 8 again. 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 2 table again. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 1 2 12. That means 2 6 is. Similar, you can get 216 as 6 into 6 6 the, sorry, 6 3 is 18. 18, that means 3 6 36. 6 6 is 36. Again 6 6 is. So 2 into 6 whole cube we can write. Okay, so 2 into 6 centimeters whole cube. You can write r cube 1728 as 2 into 6 whole cube. That means cube get cancelled. So r equal to 2 6 is 12 centimeters. So radius of the resulting sphere. Okay, so the radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeters. So this is the answer.